one project which is called Mobile Apps for Climate Change, which has been funded by the US Consulate. It was a part of a global competition called as Alumni Innovation Engagement Fund, and I won the competition from India, and they have given a grant to support this project. And the project aims at developing mobile apps. There are mobile apps on three topics, that is common trees, common birds and common butterflies. And the whole aim of this mobile app is to create interest about urban biodiversity among city people primarily. When you think about environment, or when we think about forest, you always think about national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. We don't care to see what is around us, where we are staying. So it's time that we take a note of what are things around us and care for them. And these apps will help you, because till today you probably don't know that, okay, what is this tree name, because you don't know who is going to help you or which book is going to help you. So don't worry about that now. You have to just download this app, and this app will help. Most probably it will do a decent job, because we have taken some common 50 species of birds, butterflies and trees which are found in major metros. Though the project area is 4 metros, that is Mumbai, Calcutta, Hyderabad and Delhi, but it is not limiting to it, because the species could be seen in other areas as well. So I urge that people to download this app. This app will be available online from 12th December onwards, and the whole idea of this app is that students basically can carry out a project work and collect the data, and the data could be fed to our website. We have a website called inaturewatch.org, where the data will be collected. And for students of the schools which are participating through WWF in Hyderabad, they will be actually collecting the data and feeding into the website. The project will get over in March. By then we'll see that how many schools have participated and how many records we have got. The highest record received by a particular school will be declared as a winner, and the student who has given the highest record, even those students will be mentored further into wildlife biologists. So this is our very big dream. We don't know how far we are going to be successful, and it is not I alone is really doing this. I have a team, and the mobile app team includes some 37 people who made it possible, and these have been developed by Lycodon FX. It's an advertising agency, and they have actually made my dream a reality. And I have my project partners as WWF, who are actually partnering in in Delhi, Calcutta and Hyderabad. And my team partner is also over here, Ashutosh Acharya, who is part of LVPIE. And together we are trying to create this difference, and it's an innovative step, and we hope that to bring more such mobile apps and provide ways of engaging this new generation which is so techno savvy. Thank you.